Let's explore the phrase beat around the bush,
Look, let's not beat around the bush.
which means avoiding the main topic or not addressing something directly. In conversations, when someone hesitates to talk about an uncomfortable topic, they tend to beat around the bush. Example: stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened. In meetings, during discussions, people might beat around the bush instead of addressing the actual problem. Example: the manager asked us to stop beating around the bush and focus on solutions. In personal decisions, if someone avoids making a decision, they might beat around the bush to delay it. Example: don't beat around the bush. Just tell me if you want to go or not. In interviews, candidates sometimes beat around the bush when they don't know the answer to a question. Example: instead of beating around the bush, admit when you don't know something. The phrase beat around the bush is perfect for situations where someone avoids getting to the point. Use it to make your English conversations more expressive.